Model: 66-plate Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 314 CDI chassis cab Euro 6 ULEZ compliant sleeper pod fridge freezer van nun runner star struck. Body: white, Luton, box. Mileage: 433047. MOT: the 29th of September 2024. Engine: 2143 CCOM 651 140 HPMI2B. Transmission: 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner. Timing chain has snapped, engine will need repairing or replacing. Worth spending the time getting this back to its former glory. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. This is a fantastic piece of kit with an expensive sleeper cap attached to the roof. Someone will get this back up and running, might be worth converting into a recovery truck thinking face checkmark. Features: 0 former keepers, reversing camera, cruise control, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.